want you to say, listen to Miguel kids, Miguel, I want you to say, I am a brave boy. Ready, get it, go. One more Maggie. One, okay? Because you are a brave boy, let's show them one Maggie. Okay, everybody, sit down there, sit down, sit down. Kids, okay, Miguel and I will show you the most dangerous magic act in the world. Okay. And this is, let's do this of course for Miguel. And this is what we call the finger cutter. Okay. Wow. Miguel, ready now, huh? Say, I am a brave boy. Okay, Miguel. Ready? Put your finger inside now. This is okay. Don't worry, kid. This is not real. Promise, okay? You're brave boy also? You're brave? Very good, huh? This is not real. Kuya, what's your name again? If Miguel drops his finger, please pick it up, okay? Put it inside my right pocket, huh? Alright, Miguel, are you ready now? Ready? Yeah, and for Miguel, for you, Miguel, if you lost your right index finger, you still have the other one. Show it to them. You can use this if you lost this one already, okay? Ready, Miguel? Say, I am a brave boy. Ready? Here we go now, Miguel. Let's size it now. Ready? 1, 2, and I'll put inside the one, Miguel. 1, 2. Don't worry, don't be afraid. I'm doing this magic trick since 2008 way back in the Philippines, and that's why I'm Miguel. That's why I'm here in UAE because I made some mistake before. Hopefully, nothing happened to your finger. Okay, Miguel, ready? 1, 2. Clap your hands together for brave boy.